Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for August 6th. Currently looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair. This particular pair did move higher today and close higher. We are still moving sideways overall. Definitely look for this to potentially go as high as 96.39, possibly as low as 94.11. Look for some resistance around 95.54. Sorry about that. And look for some support around the 94.95 level. Now, switching to the Euro USD pair, this particular pair closed down today. Did break the low, still looking for it to move a little bit lower down to this point and then down to this point. Don't know if we'll get there, but definitely looking for that still. Look for this pair to potentially move as high as 145.19, possibly as low as 142.42. Look for some resistance around 14400 and look for some support around 143.27. Now, switching to the pound US dollar pair, this pair had started a nice little trend, definitely pulled back during today's session. Looking for it to continue moving sideways, possibly having a bias to the downside now. Look for this pair to possibly move as high as 171.41, although I doubt it'll move that high. Look for it to potentially move as low as 166.42. Look for some resistance around 168.86 and look for some support around 167.31. Now, switching to the US Swiss, this particular pair closed up today. It's moving sideways, biases sideways currently. Look for it to possibly move as high as 1.0753, possibly as low as 10533. Look for some resistance around 10680 and look for some support around 10600 in this particular pair. Now, we had the pound and the euro release their rate decision. The pound held rates at 0.50% and the euro held their rates at 1% as expected, so it really didn't affect the market all that much. Now, the U.S. has their non-farm payroll for July being released, June being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that unemployment has improved from negative 467K to negative 328K. So if that's the case, definitely be an improvement. Definitely could help the dollar. We'll just have to wait and see. As far as what I'm looking for the markets to be rather quiet between now and the news announcement at 8:30 Eastern tomorrow. So looking for a counter trend to basically look for the Euro USD on the hour time frame to just move sideways. It pretty much moved sideways for a good amount of time yesterday up until the news announcement, which occurred right here. It really moved sideways for the most part. It did track a little bit to the downside, but I am looking for this next session to move sideways until that news announcement as well, because it is a rather large news announcement. So the best way to, in my opinion, to profit from news is to trade before the news is released and to profit from the sideways market. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.